Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're having a good day and welcome to my channel. I'm here to share this little package I received as a, I won it actually. It was, I won it over on Willowbound Journals, that's JD, on Facebook, and she's also on YouTube. But what she does on her Facebook page is she does a little journaling prompt every month, and I've been doing that every month. And at the end of the month, she just throws everyone who participated and submitted their whatever they did for their journal prompt, either in pictures or in video or both, or whatever you want to do, something like that. Whoever submitted it for that month gets their name put into, the pot, and she draws a name out at the end of the month. And so this past month I won. So I got a package all the way from Australia. I don't think I've ever received anything from Australia before, so it was super cool. And there's 2 Australian stamps, postage stamps on the envelope, so I was just super excited that I get to have some Australian stamps. They look like a picture of Australia on the stamp, possibly. So super cool. Yeah, it says Melbourne on it, so very cool stamps. Thank you, JD. I love the postage stamps. So this is my little package, and I'm super excited to see what kind of goodies are in here from JD, and I want to thank you, JD. I'm so excited and appreciate that. The fact that you picked my name out of the hat, that was so cool. I was so surprised. So let's see. I know she makes lots of fun, cute, really nice, beautiful things on her YouTube channel. So let's see what I got. So on top is neat, one of her collages. So I did watch this video of her making her collages. I don't know if she's done more than one, but the most recent one I watched, and this looks like what she was doing with them. Layers of paper, and there's some pretty blingy fabric underneath here, and a butterfly on top. So very pretty. Thank you. That's going to come in so handy. A pre-made collage for my journals. Awesome. This is a journaling card, so it's a pretty image here with the flowers, and then you can journal on the back. It's sewn all the way around, stitched, and it's a really neat stitch too. It's like a jagged zigzag. Hopefully that shows up in the camera, because it's a really cool stitch. I'm going to have to look for that on my sewing machine. I like that. And then it's got like coffee dyed paper on the back. It feels like it might be, I don't know if it's more than 2 layers. It's at least 2 layers, but it might even be 3 layers. I'm not sure. But really cute little something to stick in a pocket. Or you could use that as a pocket or a tuck spot. So very cool to have some pre-made things like this. And this looks like an envelope made from a book page. This is a neat, like, sturdy feeling book page too. And it's that same zigzaggy, jaggedy kind of stitching, zigzag stitching there. And it is distressed on the edges. So cool to have someone else's work, Awesome. JD, thank you so much. And here's a pocket made from a book page. It looks like it might be a vintage book page on this one. It just looks and feels a little bit older. And the size is so adorable. And she left the strings here. Isn't that neat? It's so neat to see someone else's stuff, because I usually just see my stuff. So cool to see someone else's stuff. Anyway, it's distressed around the edges too. It looks like it's from a dictionary, so that's another cool factor. So very neat. And a double pocket, cool. I don't have any of these made up, so awesome. I don't think I've ever made one, so this is really neat. And it's looks like I'm not sure what this is from. Maybe another dictionary. It looks like a small dictionary page. And all the distressing here. So 2 pockets right here, and actually you could have a 3rd pocket back here if you just fasten it around the edges. So very cool. And let's see what we have here. All right, we've got a pocket on this side. This is a book page, so we've got a pocket back here we've got a pocket right here and a pocket or a tuck spot right here. So all kinds of neat stuff on that one, little tuck spots and everything, and it's distress and it's a book page. So cool. Oh, look at this one. This is a neat one. It's a little bit bigger than the last one, but it has a fold down pocket here. So that's one. Here's number 2, number 3, and then you can have another one behind it if you wanted to. That would be number 4. And then we have, let's see, this is like coffee dyed paper, like a memo note paper. Got her brown zigzag stitching with, or something, it says something down here, but I can't read it right now. It's very light and maybe like a little bit covered over with the coffee dye, but very cool with that. I love the pattern right here. And it's pretty much looks like a journaling card, so very neat. Let me see. Yeah, I'm trying to see if it opens up her pocket. No, it's just a journaling card, but very cute. I love it. Love it. Love it all. And this is neat. A little window envelope. Here's it opens right here at the top. And put something in there pretty that will show through the window. And then her stitching here, really neat. And that's the back. So very cool envelope. And then, oh my goodness. This is some of JD's artwork. I know it is. I've seen a lot of her artwork that she's done just in all different areas of the different things that she works on. So very cool. I'll have to put that in a special place. But yeah, that is so neat. Wow, thank you, JD. That is so cool. Some actual artwork. Awesome. And then pretty, this is pretty. This is music paper. To figure out what these are now. Looks like it has some, it looks like tape, maybe paper tape, right here on the flap. It's sewn together. And then it's got a layer of napkin, I'm guessing. But it is really pretty. Look at the inside here. It's got the music on the inside and the outside. Of course, it's a music book page, but it has this pretty napkin on here, and then it's sewn together. Oh, very pretty. Thank you, JD. And here's another one. Awesome. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out what this is on the, it feels like washi or paper tape, but then this one has a picture on it. So, or maybe that's napkin too. Okay. Maybe that's what it is, some napkin, another piece of napkin. I bet that's what it is. Okay, I got it, I'm figuring it out. Yeah, this one has a piece of butterfly on it, like the napkin, so that's what it is on the flap, some napkin on both of these, I'm sure. Well, I'm not sure, but I think, that's what I think. Pretty butterfly there, that's really pretty. I know she likes blue butterflies, that's her favorite. So, this is another envelope. This one is made, looks like a dictionary page also possibly. It is, let's see, here's a string, but that's just extra string. All the way from Australia. But really cute little envelope. I like the size. It's adorable. And then here's an envelope made out of music book page, sewn with that zigzaggy, jaggedy stitching. So cool. I really have to go over to my sewing machine and see if I have that stitch. I've never tried this one, so that's why I'm kind of like looking at it so much. I've tried a few of my different stitches, but I don't know if I have that one. So very cool. I like how it looks. So, and that's a nice book page sewn together. Very nice. And a music book page here. She's used brown thread, and this one has white thread. And it looks very nice. And these could be further decorated up too if I wanted to decorate over this. So very neat on all of these. I like to put them in my journals though and let other people decorate them too, you know, that are getting my journals. So cool. This is this is a neat little envelope. It's, first of all, the size is neat. I like this size. And it's got the security envelope on the inside, and then the outside she has a napkin and some stitching in brown. So very pretty. Love it. I love that size. So cute. And this is another one with a napkin type made the same way. With these butterflies are really pretty on here, because this one has like music on it. I'm going to see if this is, and this one just has patterns right here. Very pretty. Here's the back and the security envelope again. This one has brown stitching. So pretty. Ooh, look at this one. Wow, that one's gorgeous. The blue. Isn't that beautiful? And the pretty flowers. Here's the back of that one. Oh, this has a different inside. Different interior on this one. That's neat. I like that. It's very different. I like it when I see different security envelopes. I like the different patterns. You never know what you're going to get. This one, oh, this one says made in Australia. Let me see this one again. This one says made in Australia. This one doesn't say that. Okay. Wow, I might have to keep these. I don't, I've never received anything from Australia before, so I'm just kind of fascinated with this. Made in Australia. The reliable choice. Okay, so it's a little envelope, security envelope. It's got this beautiful napkin on this side, and here is kind of a little, lines and things you can write on. It says sender right there, but that's just neat. Something different on the flap of the envelope. And here's another one. Now this one's been coffee dyed, but this one is made in Australia also. It's neat. Some neat coffee patterns on here, and then a beautiful butterfly napkin on this one. So I just wanted to share what I got from Australia from JD. So thanks so much, JD. I hope you don't mind if I post this on the channel to show everybody what I got, what you sent me. But that's so cool that I got something all the way from Australia. And this is, I'm going to treasure these, and thank you so much. I'm so cool that my name was chosen this month. So that was awesome. I was very surprised. And I'll let you all go so this video doesn't get too long. But thanks so much, JD, and everybody on Willowbound Journals. And I will see you on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks, and happy crafting. See you next time.